Hello, everyone. Hit it. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, my beloveds. All right, I want to thank y'all for joining me today for this here coming soon, what's next to come video. I was in the Dollar Tree. I'm always in the Dollar Tree, and I ran across these right here. So I will be coming to you all with a DIY. Now, I have done a DIY on these before, but I'm gonna come back and do another DIY for you beautiful kings and queens out there, okay? So this pack has, now I'm gonna show y'all, they had two different packs. They have the 80 count, and then they have a 40 count, and excuse my fingernails, y'all, for those of you who are, anyway. So, now the 40 count, these supposed to be 14 millimeter. They are pretty big. And these are 10 millimeter, but I swear these look like they 8 millimeter, y'all. These look like they 8 millimeter beads, but they say they 10 millimeter. But anyway, so I'm gonna be using this pack right here for our project that will be coming soon, okay? So y'all go out to the store, go to your Dollar Tree. No, I ain't gonna tell you to go to the Dollar Tree, but anyway, this project will be coming to you all soon, okay? So with that being said, I just wanted to take the time, because I've been in this real playful mood, y'all, like just being grateful and thankful for every day that I have in my life. I'm so happy to be alive, to be living, and to be productive. And I thank the Most High for continuing to bless me so that I can continue to be a blessing to you all. And I'm just like, this energy, if y'all notice, it's just, everything for me, y'all, has been heightened. I'm gonna put it like that. It's been heightened. And I'm just like overwhelmed and just so excited to keep continuing to be able to bring y'all this content, because, you know, y'all, life is too short. There's a lot going on in the world right now, and I thank the Most High for that. Thank the Most High for continuing to bless me so that I can be a blessing for y'all, to y'all, okay? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful kings and queens, I will be coming back with this DIY. Y'all be on the lookout for it. And I'm gonna thank you all for watching. And if you are familiar, now listen to me, y'all. See, this is how you know I'm like, you know. But anyway, if this is your very first time here on this platform and you like the content that I do, please subscribe to the channel, because I have been uploading quite often lately, okay? And I'm gonna thank you all for watching, and y'all have a wonderful and awesome Sunday. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.